Hey dear student, I hope that you are doing well. Last time we had studied about atoms and who invented these atoms. Today we are going to talk about atomic structure. The structure, it is the way the things is looking like or how it is particles arranged inside of atoms, as I'm going to show you here on this whiteboard. So here we have atomic structure. How is atoms? Atoms has three elementary particles, which are protons, neutrons, and electrons. But neutrons and the protons located inside of or in the center of the atoms. And then we have electrons outside of a nucleus and tons around. Here, atoms is the smallest unit of a matter. As I told you, every matter composed by an atom means that atom is the smallest unit of a matter. Atoms are composed by three particles, as I tell you now. Here, the three particles of atom are the following. We have electron on this orbital, and the turns around the nucleus as the Earth turns around the sun. Suppose that this is the sun and this is the Earth. Means this Earth needs to turn around the sun. It's the same as here on our atomic structure. Here, atoms, electrons in atoms turns around of nucleus. But protons and neutrons are concentrated here in the center of our atoms. Means that in the center of atoms we have two particles where we have protons and neutrons. Remember, protons are positively charged or charged positively. Neutron does not have any charge. So this electron moves around of this nucleus, while protons and nucleus are concentrated inside of this nucleus. And remember, all the mass of our atoms are concentrated in the center. Most of time, the mass of this electron is negligible because it is around 0.005. It is negligible, while the mass of protons and neutrons are equal, 1. Means that atoms also is charged zero, have zero charge. Always atoms have zero charge because here we have a positive recharge of protons and the negative recharge of electron. This make what we call zero charge. Means that atoms have no charge. So let us continue. After showing this, I have to write some notes talking about what I tell you now. Sorry. Yes, this is the some not talk about atoms. Three particles of atoms are electron, neutrons, and protons. Nucleus is the core of atom which is formed by neutrons and proton. As I show you on that structure of atoms where neutrons and protons are concentrated in the center of atoms. Electron exists outside of nucleus and turns around. Yes, also as I tell you how electrons turns around of nucleus as the if turns around of the sun. So let us move forward by giving you another notes about atoms. Yes, here orbital is a location of electron, as it was discovered by John Thomson and is negatively charged. It means that electrons have negative charge. And then we have what we call neutrons. This I'm talking about three particles of atoms. Three particles of atoms where we have neutrons, electrons, and protons. This orbital is a location of electrons. Then neutrons are electrically neutral, has zero charged, and located in the nucleus. As I tell you, neutrons are in the center of nucleus. And then we have what we call protons. Here protons are positively charged, has positive charge, located in the nucleus, discovered by Ernest Rutherford. So after knowing this, where protons located, where electrons located, I'm sure that you will be able to answer any question related to the atoms, related to the location of, or related to the particles of atoms. So let us move forward to see other note related with this atomic structure. So here I want to draw a table which composed by subatomics, relative charge and relative mass, and what we call location of that particle. Subatomic. Here we can have relative charge, relative mass. We can have also what we call location of a particle. Yes. So here subatomic do we have? What is subatomic do we have here? Yes, we have electron as a subatomic. We have what we call protons. We have what we call neutrons. This is our subatomics. As I told you, electron has the negative charge, means that has -1. Negative charge has a relative mass of 1/1836, which is equal to 0.0005, and this it's located on orbital outside of nucleus, located outside of nucleus on what? On orbital. Sorry. So this is our electrons. Has relative charge of -1, have a relative mass of 0.0005, has located outside of nucleus, and on what we call on orbital. Here we have what we call protons. Protons has positive charge, means that it has +1. It has relative mass of 1, and also it's located, or its location is in the nucleus. In the nucleus. Here we have what we call neutrons. Here neutrons also has what we call, because we say it is neutral, means that it has 0 charge, no charge here, no charge, or has what we call zero charge, and then it has relative mass of 1. As I told you that the mass of atoms is concentrated in the center of atoms, because it is made by protons and neutrons, because this 0.005 is negligible. The mass of electron is negligible, where the all mass of atoms located in the nucleus, in the center of atoms. So here relative mass of neutrons is 1. Its location is in the nucleus. So you know that electron has relative charge of -1, has relative mass of 1/1836, or it has relative mass of 0.005, which is very small, or which sometimes be negligible. And also location of this electron is located outside. It is located outside of nucleus on orbital. As I show you that the nucleus, for example, we suppose this is protons and neutrons, then this is the nucleus, where what you call electron located here on the orbitals, means that it's located outside of this nucleus. Electron located outside of nucleus, while protons has positive charge, has relative mass of 1, and located in the nucleus. As I show you, this is the nucleus. Our nucleus is composed by protons and neutrons. Means that in the center of atoms we have what we call protons and neutrons. So let us move forward to the neutrons. Neutrons has no charge, has zero charge. Because it is electrically neutral, it has what we call, it has no charge, and then has relative mass of 1 located in the nucleus. As the same protons, let us say this is in our nucleus, and inside of nucleus there is protons, alternation of protons and what we call neutrons. Means that neutrons also located inside of our nucleus, while electron located around the nucleus and turns around the nucleus as the Earth turns around the sun. Means that this is electrons on this orbit. It is outside of nucleus, where neutrons and protons are inside of what you call of nucleus. Remember that protons are positively charged, but the neutrons has zero charge, means that are neutral. Reason why many scientists say that in the center of atoms there is positively charged, because neutrons has zero charge, while protons are positively charged. So thank you so much. Thank you to be here with me. If this is your first time, please remember to hit on subscribe button. This will help you to get next and previous video I prepared. So thank you so much.